Good afternoon, everyone. This is Jake with AmazingStockReport.com, and this is our current play, GSPT. This is the 1 minute daily chart, so this is today's action. And I wanted to talk about trading the pullback and what I look for intraday. At open, the stock ripped up, and in the first 5 minutes, it was up about 1,200%. So we delayed our email out. We wanted to email out on the pullback, so you guys didn't buy too high. Yes, I think it'll go past there, but still, your first entry is key to making good profits. So what I look for is about a 50% pullback from the high and the open. So opened at 002, hit a high of 0.021, pull back to 008 range. But what I wanted to point out was after the initial rip on the pullback, it puts in a low, and it happened to be just about 0.0081 or so. That's what this green line represents. That's the first low. Comes up, and when it comes back down, it puts another low in, okay? It doesn't go below the first low. If it would have came down and broken through the support that it put in, then it would be a different story. But put in a higher low, and then it ripped up, put in a higher low, okay? So it's making higher highs and higher lows, and that's what you look for, okay? Many entered in this range and are up nicely now. So now this low is intraday support. So I drew a line across. Came up, gaps up on the next minute here, hits 0.015, comes back down. So I drew a line at 0.015. That's the first resistance I saw intraday. Came down, broke this support it made here, and came down and tested this support level and held, and actually broke this resistance because that support is now resistance. Came up, tried for 0.015 again, failed. So, what do you expect to go down and test support levels again, which it did. Came down and hit here. Consolidated, trended up, broke through this resistance. Now this resistance is support. Tested 0.015 again, failed, but now it held this upper support level. So 0.013 was now solid support, and it held all day after that. And tested again 0.015. Failed, but it held support, and at the end of the day there was some nice buying, and it closed at 0.015, so it closed at resistance. So that's what you look for intraday. You draw out support levels, you draw out resistance levels, you look for higher lows, and as long as these support levels hold, it should be a good entries. And it turned out good for a lot of people, and we feel the next week is going to be a good one. But always remember, no matter how much we like a play, no matter how much your friends like a play, always stick to the basics and focus on support and resistance, because that's all that really matters intraday. Okay, so stay tuned. We'll have another video for you tomorrow, and you guys have a good day.